Techno Industrial Products offers gate valves wheel-operated in SS304 material. All valve of these series are manufactured as per ASTM B16.34 standard, and we are committed to provide best quality at affordable prices. These valves are widely used in high-quality, demanding industries such as pharma, dairy, edible oils, sugar, paper, etc. Heavy-duty industrial boilers and dryers, irrigation industry, HVAC system, compressed air and gas systems, and pneumatic fixtures, etc., and much more you can think of. Image shows working of the gate valve, which is opening and closing with the help of wheel handle attached to it. As you can see, the fluid cannot pass through when the valve is closed. As we turn the wheel handle to open position, the fluid can pass to the other side of the valve and stop again when we close it. Available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.